Hello everybody, myself V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, I have discussed problems on multiplication of matrices. Now we shall continue few more problems on multiplication of matrices. So next problem, find the product of 2, 1, 3, 2, minus 1, 1 into 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 1. So solution. So the first matrix will be of the order 3 cross 2. So the first matrix is of the order 3 cross 2 and the second matrix is of the order 2 into 3. Here number of columns in the first matrix will be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So the product matrix will be of the order 3 into 3. That means the product matrix will be of the order 3 into 3. That is, it will have 3 rows and 3 columns. So the rule is row into column. So that will be equal to first row into first column, 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1, 1 into minus 1. Next element will be first row into second column, 2 into 0, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2. And the next element will be first row into third column, that is 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Next row will be second row into first column, 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1. Next element will be second row into second column, 3 into 0 plus 2 into 2. Next element will be second row into third column, 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Next we pass on to the third row. Third row into first column, minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. Third row into second column, minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. That is third row into third column. So we have 2 plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 2 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 1, 1. 3 into 1, 3 plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 3 into 0, 0 plus 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 1, 3 plus 2 into 1, 2. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into 0, 0, plus 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, plus 1 into 1, 1. So now 2 minus 1, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 0 plus 4, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, minus 1 is minus 2, 2, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So that completes this problem. We pass on to the next problem. First one. If f of x is equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. Show that f of x into f of y will be equal to f of x plus y. So what is the given? F of x is given. So what is f of x? F of x is nothing but cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. What is f of y? See, f of x is this matrix, that is cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. F of y means we replace x by y. So f of y will be equal to cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. So we have to find the product of f of x into f of y. That is f of x into f of y will be equal to cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1 into cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. So here f of x is of the order 3 into 3. It is a square matrix, and f of y is also of the order 3 into 3, and it is a square matrix. Naturally, the product of two square matrix is a square matrix. So this is the order 3 into 3. F of y is also of the order 3 into 3, and the product matrix should be of the order 3 into 3. That is row into column. That is first row into first column. So first row is cos x into cos y, cos x into cos y plus minus sin x into sin y plus 0 into 0. So first row into first column. Next is first row into second column, that is cos x into minus sin y plus minus sin x into cos y plus 0 into 0. So that is the first row into second column. Next element will be first row into the third column. So cos x into 0 is 0 plus minus sin x into 0 plus 0 into 1 is 0. Next we pass on to the next row, that is second row into first column. So it is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y plus 0 into 0. Next element is second row second column, that is sin x into minus sin y plus cos x into cos y plus 0 into 0. Next element is second row into third column, that is cos x into 0 plus 0 into 1 0, that is sin x into 0 is 0 plus cos x into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 1 is 0. Next third row into first column, 0 into cos y 0 plus 0 into sin y 0 plus 1 into 0, it is 0. Next third row into second column, 0 into minus sin y 0 plus 0 into cos y 0 plus 1 into 0. Next third row into third column, that is 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1 is 1. So now f of x into f of y will be equal to cos x into cos y plus into minus, so cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. So cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Here cos x into minus sin y plus minus sin x into cos y. If we take minus common, we have sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Last will be 0. Next, this is once again sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Here it is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. And here it is 0 plus 0 plus 0, we will have 0. So we have 0, 0, 1. So f of x into f of y will be equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. That is nothing but cos of x plus y minus sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. That is sin of x plus y. 0. This is sin of x plus y because sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y, we have cos of x plus y, 0. And this is 0, 0, 1. So if you observe in f of x, the angles here are all x. If you observe in f of y, the angles for cos sin is y. Here if you observe the angles of cos and sin are x plus y. That means you can replace the angle by x plus y. So that completes this problem. So next problem is show that 5 minus 1 6 7 into 2 1 3 4 is not equal to 2 1 3 4 into 5 minus 1 6 7. So LHS equals minus 1 6 7 into 2 1 3 4. So as usual, the rule is product of two matrices. For the product of two matrices, the rule is row into column. So that will be equal to first row into first column, 5 into 2 plus minus 1 into 3. Next, first row, second column, 5 into 1 plus minus 1 into 4. Second row into first column, 6 into 2 plus 7 into 3. Next, second row into second column, that is 6 into 1 plus 7 into 4. So that is equal to 5 2s are 10 plus minus 3, 5 into 1 5, 2s are 12 plus 7 3s are 21, 6 plus 7 4s are 28. That is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7, 5 minus 4 is 1, 12 plus 21 is 33, 28 plus 6 is 34. We call this as 1. So next we consider the RHS part. RHS is equal to 2 1 3 4 into 5 minus 1 6 7. So the rule is row into column. So that will be equal to first row into first column. First row into first column. 2 into 5 plus 1 into 6. Next element is first row into second column. 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 7. Next row is 3 into 5 plus 4 into 6, that is second row into first column. Next element is second row into second column. So 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 7. So 2 into 5, 10 plus 6. 3 5s are 15, 6 4s are 24. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, plus 1 into 7, 7. 3 into minus 1, minus 3, plus 4 7s are 28. So that will be equal to, so 10 plus 6, 16, minus 2 plus 7 is 5, 24 plus 15, 39, 28 minus 3 is 25. So this is number 2. If you observe 1 and 2, they are not equal. Here we have to prove that LHS is not equal to RHS. That is from 1 and 2, LHS is not equal to RHS. So this completes this problem. Okay, thank you.